Now continue again. Okay, now this, go to address and phone. Address and phone, home address. This is your home address where you are. Okay, so you indicate that. So I have this information. That's why you see all of this. So street address too. If I have that, Freetown, province, then I will have to change this one because I want it to be the same with the one just Western area, zip code. If you don't, just click on this. So if you don't have, just maybe indicate like 5 zeros most often. Okay. So country or region is there. Is your mailing address the same as your home address? When we mean by the mailing address is basically where you stay. Okay. Like if they want to send any package for you, just the same thing. Okay. It's not like basically the mail itself. So it indicates is your mailing address the same as your home address? Yes. So you don't have to indicate that. If no, you will see something else. Primary phone number, you put that one. Secondary phone number, if you have, does not apply, put it here. Work phone number, if it does not apply, put it here. Okay. Have you used any other phone number in the last 5 years? If you have, indicate. For me, I use, so I just indicated that. If no, just put this one. Not going to. Okay. Now, and the next thing, the email address. So now I'm going to change this email. I think I've used this email many times. So I'm going to use my YouTube, Madi Jibo Live Broad 2023 at gmail.com. So if you guys want to reach out, that's the email, Madi Jibo Live Abroad 2023 at gmail.com. Okay. Now, have you used any other email address in the last 5 years? When I was applying, I have like 5 emails or so. I still I indicated them. So if no, just put this one. Okay. Don't hide anything except social media. Okay. Do you have any social media presence? So yes, of course, for me, select one. So you have to select which one. Like let's say Facebook. Okay. So if it's Facebook, you have to put the name here. So it's Engineer Madi Jibo. Like, so this is basically like my name. So you indicate that. If you have another, you add. If you don't, just leave that. Do you wish to provide information about your presence on any other websites or applications you have used within the last 5 years? If you have, and you think you've not done anything wrong so far, that you think, because of course they will do background check most often, okay? And you don't want to jeopardize your chances, you can just leave that. So say no. If you have, for me, I indicated everything, YouTube, everything when I was applying. So you click yes, then you continue. Next, so this one is filled. Go again, passport now. So you fill in the information as indicated in your passport. Passport or travel document type, you indicate that. So if it's your passport, if you are coming as a student, it's regular, of course. So I don't need to waste my time there. It's regular. Okay, passport or travel document number. You indicate that I have some of this information already. So ER2641, that's like my passport number. Okay, and passport book number. If you don't see it, don't bother yourself, just indicate this one. Country authority that issued passport, travel, or document. So it's the countries, the Leone. Where was the passport or travel document issued? City, indicate that. You just say Freetown. And I want to make this one because I have started indicating Western area. So country or region, issue date, you should know this one. Okay. Know the dates. Look at your passport. And this should be June, and that was 2021. So we come again when it will expire. No, that's June or June, and you see here 2026. If it will never expire, then you put it here, no expiration, but most often it will expire. So have you ever lost a passport or had one stolen? If you have, then indicate that. If no, indicate no. So once you know you feel safe, okay, then continue. Now, once you have that, go again, contact, next. Now, contact person organization in the United States. So this one, there's someone who signed on your your I-20. That's your document manager. Indicate their names here. Okay. I hope I can remember. So I just want the name to pop up. You see the name there, definitely. I've forgotten. Seriously. So I'm just going to put any name. Okay. I want to be okay, fine. So I don't want to. Uh, okay, fine. So my name is just Papa. Do not know. If you don't know, then you put it, but you should know. The name is always there, okay? On the DS-160. Organization name, okay? So this one is basically not like the university. It's basically the international office most often. So you just put Office of International Education. It depends on, you will see it there. They are the ones responsible, okay? So I've just indicated this one. Um, Relationship to you, of course, you come down school official. Then you save this one. What's happening? Okay. So let's get this. Let me see. Your ES point of contact can be any individual in the ES who knows you and can verify if necessary. Of course, they should. Let me see. Office of International Organization. I don't know why it is not. Okay, it has limited. So I'll just put Office of International Education. Fine. So now you see, this is what I was saying. So now we have to go back again. So we have to click on this and select the country again. Okay, and enter this code. If you don't know this one, this is HCPU 98. So if you can see it clearly, then just E98. Now you are going to retrieve an application. You are not starting again. You click on this one. So this is your application ID I told you for you to write. Okay. So now in caps AA, and that should be um I don't know if it's 00. So just try as 00. I think that should be 00, but let's just go EB3 LT5. Retrieve application. If it's not, then you're going to change. Okay, I think that should be correct. But let's go. First 5 letters of your, so mine, KMAR, year of birth, put it again. What's the given name of your mother's mother? Remember that name you put. So I indicated Fatmata. Okay, retrieve application. Let's see. Fine. So we are here again. So now this was saved. The address and phone. Okay, this again saved now. Everything here is saved. Let's go again. Passports. Passports was saved. Yes, point of contact. This was not saved. Okay, it was not saved. So as I said, indicate the name. So you get this one. Don't put the university, as I said. So this one. Select relationship, school official. Okay, fine. So now the address and phone number of the point of contact. So you put the address, just like I said. So this should be on your I-20 PT Pittsburgh, and it should be 213. I'm just 4122958 4. So this one you should have their contact. The contact is always there. The international office. Okay. This one is my number, basically. So I'll just indicate for one to this another person's number. So just indicate the number. Um, yeah. So to indicate any number, I've just indicated a different number. So email address, the email address should be there. Okay. Indicate the email. Do not apply if you don't know. Just put that. Save. I'm not changing this one. You see. So this one, organization name is invalid. Only the following characters are. So because of, I think because of this, let's see. So don't be afraid. You see, it's okay now because of that. Full stop. So continue. You save that and just go again. Family. So on a family, father's full name, surname, you put it. And this one, if you don't know this one, just, I don't know. Is your father in DS? No. Mother, indicate that. So some of this information, I have them already stored. So you can just type them. If you don't know, indicate that. Yes, no. Do you have any immediate relative, not including parent? Look at it here. Means fiance of fiancé, spouse, housewife, child, sibling, brother or sister. If any of these are not within the years that you have, don't indicate yes, just put no. But if you have a brother or sister, you can indicate that. And remember, whatever you put on your DS-160 needs to align with what you are going to say in case you are asked any question, okay, from your DS-160. If you don't have, just indicate this one. If you have, just put them there and know how to explain that. Okay. Yes. So let's see. Something is wrong. Do you have any other relative in the year? Okay. I didn't click this one. So click save. If you're okay, definitely I have to go again. Next, education or training. Primary occupation. If you're working, you have to indicate that. Okay. So for me, if you are studying, you put student. So I've just put engineering, your past or present work, education or training information. Present work, education or training. If you're working now, so like this one, you can select education here. If you are still schooling, if you're not, just look at what's best fit. Present employer or school name. If you are still attending a school, you can indicate that here. Okay, this is what I indicated last time. This is present work education. So street, you can indicate that I don't want to waste time, so I'm just putting this information. Was when I was in Turkey, basically, do not apply if you don't know, you just put this one. Okay. Phone number is not basically just find the phone number, okay, of the school. So I'm just going to put it's 07. No, it's not 94. Okay, I think yeah, this was the number. You can just put country, and this is supposed to be, you should know that one. So just put, I'm indicating Turkey here. Yes, so Start dates, that means if you are schooling, and that's so it depends. If you are working, you put it present work or education, you put your employer, you put their information. Okay, I'm just assuming you are still schooling somewhere. So I'll put the date. So this one, I'll just put 04 of October 2023, monthly income in local, if employed. If you're not, does not apply. Briefly describe your duties. Okay, so whatever you are doing there, you indicate that. If I'm studying, okay, studying or whatever, you indicate you have to. So whatever you write here, you should know exactly what you've written here. Okay, so you write if you are still studying, if you are working, you indicate your responsibilities. Okay, so you click save. Let's see, so many errors because of this name, the alphabet. So what I'm going to do, I'll just change this one. So this, instead of that I, I'll indicate another one. This I, this is because of the Turkish, because I'm using Turkey as an example where I am right now. Okay, so I'll just change these ones. The alphabets are different, so let's change all of these to English alphabet. So let's see again, and this one as well. Change this to U. Oh, not that one. Okay, here, and change this one. What's in your case, most often you won't see any of that. So let's go. Let's try to save it again and see. It's okay now. You continue.